you creeps, I didn't hear you come in. Welcome to Cooking with Lynn Fectious, with me, Lynn Fectious. I'm so glad you adorable apparitions could make a visit to my horrible abode, just in time for me to whip up a storm in the kitchen. Now for today's segment, we will not be doing any of my usual home cooking, like my hearty liver pies or my awful. Instead, we will be making a liquid smoothie lunch, which have proved very popular on Instagram with zombies aged 60 to 100. So this one is for you youngsters. So today's recipe is a protein Bloody Mary, which is perfect for zombies on the run. So, if you're going straight from your dead-end job to your child's first human mauling, this is a great way to get your blood intake without skipping meals. So, for this recipe, you will need 2 human hands, half a human foot, vodka, more vodka, shitloads of vodka, Worcestershire intestine. Where are my Worcestershire intestines? That pesky poltergeist. Oh, poltergeist!
I take it back, bitch.
And a toe for garnish. You will also need a glass and a blender. We begin by breaking the bones in the hands and feet. We do this because the last thing you want when taking a big refreshing gulp of your Bloody Mary is a great big bone stuck in your throat. But enough about last Saturday. You'll generally be able to know that the bones are broken when you hear that. You can use this to take out some of that notorious zombie aggression. I like to pretend I'm breaking the bones of my ex-husband. You see, he left me for some skinny little skeleton that he met online. I mean, sure, she had great bone structure, but no brains. But that's all in the past. I've since learned to forgive and forget and embrace my natural zen. Anyway, next up we add the intestines. Now, it is very important that these came from a Worcestershire human. If you get one from Hereford, you've gone far too far, and it may make the texture a little rough. But first, we have to release the gas. Whoa! Ease up on that Mexican food, buddy. And now we just stuff those in with the hands and the feet. And now for my favorite part, the vodka. Any of you virgin zombies out there can skip this step. I once tried to go sober, but my heart wasn't in it. Now be warned. Excessive alcohol consumption may cause you to slur your words, make bad decisions, and act violently. So make sure to put plenty in. Then put all of these into the blender and blend until you have a thick and creamy mixture. Then remove and serve in your favorite glass. Perfect. Your Bloody Mary should look something like this. Totally tasty. So there we have it. But the problem with a protein Bloody Mary is it's
is just so Moorish.
For fuck's sake, Lynn! How many more cameramen do we need?